Good afternoon from Grand Flame Farm. Today is April 20th, 2025. It's Easter Sunday. And we have a bunch of little kids running out here. Like Briggs. And we invited the Easter Bunny to join us. So it should be fun.
I got the big ball, baby!
Yeah, we had a kids hunt and then the parents. Okay, the last of the stuff hidden has been found. So now we're going to have Easter dinner. I do appreciate you guys watching. I hope your Easter has been as fun as ours has. Happy Easter.